Yeah, there's Caffey collecting shells. There's a larrikin out there. It must have been a bad one. Beautiful day. There's a ducky sitting on the shore. I've been for a kayak this morning, got me exercise. All good. I just spotted a big goanna in the wild. I don't know where he's gone. Somebody's been using this as a camp spot. Oh, he's disappeared. Where'd he go? I don't know. He's going up that tree. Throw a rock at him, Kath.
Oh, I know.
Make him run. I don't know where he is. Very closely. See him climbing up the tree there.
Oh.
Very slowly.
Here he is.
Just going around behind, hiding from us. That worked. Kathy threw a rock, but he's still hiding in there. Oh well. Have a bit of driftwood. Gonna take back. Houseboat's up anchoring, upping anchor. Looking for another bit of wildlife. So a lovely big goanna. I don't know if the camera picks up the bellbirds. I hope you can hear the bellbirds. Looks like we're getting some new neighbours in the hood. It was good, we had it to ourselves for a while. We've got a houseboat and another yacht coming in. Can you see that?
Oh yeah.
He's coming up to pick up a pink buoy next to us. Oh well. Just up there. Oh, there he goes. We have bellbirds in the wild talking to us. How nice is that? Oh, and flying around.
In this tree.
All the bellbirds. Beautiful. Lovely nature walk, Caffey.
It sure is, Liz.
There's our boat still out there. Oh, look out there. There's the bellbird. Oh, what's that up there? Shoot a fin. There's some sort of structure up there. That's lovely. Lovely walk along the forest level. Oh, there's a bit of razorfish.
Oh, I'll go this side. Don't like the razorfish, not when you can't see them.
Half a razorfish. Little toadfish in the water. Probably can't pick it up in the camera. Because, there's Caffey made it over the tree alright. Look, it's game. There he goes. In the shade. So we see all sorts of different little fishies. Oh, that's what I just think. Ah, this is a lie. Larrikin out the back. Oh, what was that? There's a ducky. Larrikin got the kayak hanging off the back. Some new neighbours. Hope they behave themselves and don't be too rowdy tonight. Kath's still looking for the elusive shells he wants. A memento. That was not happening.